Good morning, Kipsters. Before we get started, Miss Lindenberg here. I wanted to tell you that I have a shout out. Let's try it one more time. Ready? I have a shout out. I have a shout out for my friend David in Notre Dame. He has been working so hard to watch all of his morning message and find all of those sight words. I also have a shout out for Lauren in Notre Dame. She is working so hard to count on her calendar and find those shapes and really trying hard to get ready for first grades. So I just wanted to shout out those friends. Friends, if you keep on working and learning and have your parents send a picture to your teachers, you can also get a shout out on our morning message and our calendar. Now that we are ready to start our calendar, today you're going to need a piece of paper and something to write with. So now is the time to pause the video, go get a piece of paper and something to write with, and then put it aside so when it's time to count our coins later, we have that for ourselves and we are ready to go. When you get back, just click play and we will be here ready to do our month and our days of the week. So I know that it is the month of April. It's the month of April. So let's sing our days of the week song. But before, friends, yesterday was Wednesday. While we're singing this song, I want you to think, what day comes after Wednesday? Think, so we can get ready to sing. Ready? Get your snapping fingers ready. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 So friends, if yesterday was Wednesday, I'm wondering what day is today. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday. Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. All day long. All day long. Yesterday was Wednesday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Friday. Tomorrow will be Friday. Oh, what fun. Oh, what fun. So, friends, now we know that it is the month of April, and we know that the day of the week is Thursday. Awesome job with that loud, proud voice. It is Thursday. But, friends, now I want to figure out what the date is. I want to figure out what the date is. I say we start counting at the number 8. You think we can do that? I can't hear you. You think we can count starting from the number 8 to figure out what the date is. Ready? Let's start. Ready? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. What comes after 22? 23. You are absolutely correct. Say today is April 23rd, 2020. It is April 23rd, 2020. Can somebody tell me how I can write my number 23? You are absolutely correct. A 2 and a 3 makes 23. I wrote my 2 and a 3. That makes 23. So one more time, Kipsters. Today is Thursday, April 23rd, 2020. It is Thursday, April 23rd, 2020. Kipsters, but I notice a shape on my calendar. Put a finger on your nose if you also notice a shape. What shape do you see? You see a triangle. How do you know it's a triangle? Let's count the amount of sides. Does it have 3 sides? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Triangle has 3 sides. That's how you know it's a triangle. But friends, I notice that my triangle is above my number, below, above, 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 below. Where should my triangle go next? Should it go above my number 23 or below my number 23 if my pattern continues? You are absolutely correct, Kipsters. It's going to go above my number 23 because that's what comes next in my pattern. Awesome job, Kipsters. Keep up this awesome, awesome work. Now let's say goodbye, calendar, and let's say hello to our coins. Now is the time to get your sheet of paper and your writing utensil ready so we can count our coins together. But before we get started, let's start by singing our song. Ready? Penny, penny, easily spent. Copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. Awesome job. Let's go to the next coin. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents, I know that. Ready? Air 5 through the screen. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. Awesome job, Kipsters. So now that we know how much all of our coins are, how much they're worth, and all their names, now it's time to figure out our number sentences. So friends, I made it a little bit tricky. Can we all see? I made it a little bit tricky, so make sure that you're listening to Miss Lindenberg just in case you get slipped or tricked so you can write your number sentences accurately. Follow along with me. I see a penny and I see a nickel. How many pennies do you see? Let's figure out. 1, 2, 3. If I have 3 pennies and a nickel, which is worth 5, I need to add those together so I can figure out how much I have. I put the bigger number in my head. Which one is the bigger number, 5 or 3? 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Why did I stop there? Because I'm adding 3 pennies. So we have our 8, and this is how we make our number 8. And we're going to use that fancy sign we've been using, the addition sign. Awesome job. And then how many pennies am I adding? Let's count together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4 pennies. I'm adding 4 pennies. So I'm going to write the number 4. Then I have to solve this number sentence. I put the bigger number in my head. Which is bigger, 8 or 4? 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Why did I stop there? What am I adding? 4. These 4 fingers represent this number 4. So my answer is 12. And how do I write the number 12? A 1 and a 2. Awesome job, Kipsters. Now let's move on to the next one. I see a nickel and a penny together. A nickel is worth 5 and a penny is worth 1. How many is that all together? 5, 6. Awesome job. So then I'm going to write the number 6. Then I'm going to use my addition sign, just like we did before. Friends, what is this coin called? A nickel. How much is it worth? 5 cents. So practice writing your number 5 and then put your equal sign. I'm going to put the bigger number in my head. The bigger number is 6. Then I'm going to add on my other number. Ready? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Why did I stop here? You are absolutely correct because we are adding 5. 5 fingers represents my number 5. My answer is 11, and my 11 is a 1 and a 1. Now this one is a bonus challenge problem, so stay focused just in case this one is tricky. Friends, I see 1, 2. I see 2 pennies, so I'm going to write the number 2 because they are grouped together. Then I'm going to write my addition sign. And then I see a dime and a penny. If a dime is worth 10 and a penny is worth 1, all of these together are worth 11. Awesome job. And I write my 11, a 1 and a 1. Then I use my equal sign. What is 11 plus 2? Ready? Put the bigger number in your head. 11, 12, 13. And I stopped at 2 because I'm adding 2. So I'm going to write 13. Ready? A 1 and a 3. Awesome job, Kipsters. Pat yourself on the back. That was so awesome counting those coins. But now it's time to figure out how many days we have been out of school. So I'm going to get our hundreds place. We have our ones, our hundreds, and our tens. So I'm going to move my ones to my ones place. And we're going to figure out how many days. Oop, this one's split in half, so I'm going to switch it out with this tall one. how many days we've been out of school. Ooh, let's make sure you can see all of my cups. So friends, let's figure out how many days we were out of school. If I'm going to add another spaghetti, let's figure out how many days I've been out of school. This is my bundle of 10. So this is 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. We have been out of school, Kipsters, for 27 days. That means we've been online learning for 27 days. We have nothing in the hundreds. We have 2 groups of 10 in our tens place, and we have 7 ones in our ones place. Keep on watching our YouTube videos so you can grow your brain and get first grade ready. Bye, Kipsters. See you tomorrow.